My dot candy is the best new way to use up your yogurt. Sweetened with honey and all sorts of natural dried fruit. You're gonna love it. Let's go get started. Well, freeze-dried fruit are so great to make naturally flavored and colored snacks. About a tablespoon of each. We got freeze-dried blueberries, freeze-dried bananas, and about a tablespoon of freeze-dried strawberries. So we have our blue, we have our yellow, and we have our red. And this is where things get a little bit fun, sometimes a little bit dangerous. All right. Apparently not just for pounding crabs, huh? Put this guy to use. All right. So I have 3 cups here, and what I love about this recipe is that everything happens in this Ziploc bag, so there's zero mess. So I just use the cups just to hold my bags in place. It makes it really, really easy to fill it. It's like super condensed fruit smelling. Blueberry. Love it. So we are just going to sweeten these up with 2 tablespoons of honey per bag. And I like using honey. It's a natural sweetener. And honey and yogurt just go so well together. All right, so now we're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and you could use any yogurt you like. I like to use Greek yogurt, but you could use 0%, you could use full fat, totally your call. Now we get to swish. These are so much fun to make, I love this. And freeze-dried fruit is like a really, really great way to make naturally colored and flavored frostings as well. I've done a strawberry frosting before. You can really do a lot with it. All right, we have purple. Bananas. Let's mix it all up, come on. Last but not least, we have our red. And you could use any freeze-dried fruit you have, any flavors, go right ahead. All right, look at these colors, how gorgeous. Purple, red, and yellow. Now, all we have to do is just pipe them onto our baking sheet here. So you just wanna push a lot of it to the corner and squeeze out some of the air. Push it all to the corner. So cut off the tip, and all we're gonna do is just pipe our circles. And try to just make them as circular as possible. How awesome are these? Fun, right? Let's do our next color. Smell that strong banana flavor. And last but not least, we have our blueberry. Perfect. Okay. That's it, everyone. So simple, not a single dish to clean. These are gonna go in the freezer, and if you let them sit overnight, that's ideal, but you gotta wait at least like 4 or 5 hours for them to fully set up and freeze so we could peel them off the papers. These have been freezing for a few hours, and they're ready. How much fun is this? This is like going to the candy store, just like a kid eating dot candy, except frozen. They're so good and so refreshing. You taste that strawberry through and through. Creamy yogurt and so naturally sweetened. I really feel like a kid again. This is so much fun. Go make these.